This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Arvin. Come see this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom end-unit townhome with open floor plan and smart features. Designed by Nils Schweizer, a student of Frank Lloyd Wright. Kitchen has been recently updated with new wood soft close cabinets, a marble tile backsplash, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, a chef's dream. The downstairs area has an open floor plan with 17-foot ceilings in the living room and sliding doors that open to a spacious patio garden area, perfect for entertaining. It also has a large bonus room that can easily be converted to a third bedroom. New carpet upstairs including stairs, both bedrooms and loft. 3 new windows, low E Argon gas, and new plantation shutters. Roof was replaced in 2014. Air conditioner replaced in 2015. Easy access to shopping, Park Avenue, Baldwin Park, bike and walking trails and Winter Park Hospital. Don't miss this amazing opportunity to view this move-in ready home. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Arvin at 954-693-0100.